All right, so we've covered our basic tools where we went over like the basics, the tone curves, the colors, split toning, detail. We did that in the last video. Now we're gonna go check out this top bar of icons and kind of see which each function does. So this one right here, this is gonna crop it. So you can adjust the crop however you'd like. Twist and turn. So again, this is the crop tool. All right, this tool right here, this is the spot removal. This is great for like if you've got a spot you want to take out. Let's see here. Zoom in. So let's say we want to take this piece out right there. I'm going to grab that, brush over it, and it's going to automatically pick a piece to cover over. This is great for blemishes too. And if you want to, if it doesn't go quite, you can just drag and see which piece best fit. And there we go. So it's a great tool to use. Let's see, come over here, we'll use that again. Spot right there, done. So this is a great spot remover. And if you, and you can use your mouse to adjust the size of the brush as well. All right, so that's showing you how to use the spot removal. The next one is the red eye correction. So let's say you shoot with a flash. This is great for kind of reducing that, what you would do. He doesn't have it, but if he were to have red eyes, it would detect it and then do it. There is no red eye here, so it's not going to work. All right, so this next one over here, this is the graduated filter. It's kind of a gradient, as you can see. So I'm moving that over and kind of lead it around. And I'm going to add some exposure. So if you're wanting to add like some light effect, more light on that side, and you can adjust the harsh light, or you know, kind of make it blend in a little bit better or whatever. So as you can see, just kind of bringing that over. You can also adjust the colors. Notice it's warmer on this side than on this side. Kind of graduates over there, gradually changes. And you can, again, you can add contrast, change the highlights, and do just a lot of different things with it. All right, reset. We're going to go over here. This is the radial filter. So this one's the graduated filter, and this is the radial filter. Kind of the same thing, but let's say you just want to do a small area. Let's just say we want to add a little bit of brightness to his face. So I've just got that one selection covered, and now I'm going to increase the exposure, add some contrast right there on his face. And if I want to do another one, I'm going to hit, keep that on there, and then just create another spot for his hand. There you go. Another thing you can do, again, adding some light. Let's say we want to add a little bit of light in that corner. There we go. So again, that's the radial filter. Next, we've got our adjustment brush. So this adjustment brush allows you to, let's say, just kind of pick smaller spots. So I'm just going to brush over the eye, brighten his eyes up, add some more contrast, or if we want to add some clarity to his eyes, Do the same thing over there. Whoops. Hit done. Kind of do a side-by-side of comparison of adding that clarity and light to his eyes right there. And that again is just using that adjustment brush. So the adjustment brush, you can adjust it to different sizes to be a little bit more specific to different areas. So like I'm adding those same adjustments to his hair, increasing those highlights. Let's say I wanted to do one adding some shadow. So we'd hit done and then create another brush. So we'll do this, except we're going to decrease that and add some more shadowing. Reduce that clarity. Reduce the sharpness. There we go. So we've got like this slight little shadow right there. So again, there's a lot of different things you can do with it. All right, so again, so these are smaller adjustments: the radial filter, graduated filter, the adjustment brush, red eye, and the healing tools / spot removal. All right, so we are going to start post-processing in the next video and kind of put all these different things together.